In this video, we're going to learn to archive Instagram Reels, which are really taking off at the moment, guys. So this is on the story page. We jump over to my profile. At the moment, you can see it's in the photos section, but we just want to select the middle bit, the Reels section. Clicking on this picture of this big TV screen in Beijing in China, we're going to come down to the bottom right-hand side. We can see three dots. Selecting those three dots is going to bring up this page for us here. We can do a few different things from this. What we're going to do right now is select manage. From manage, we're going to go down to the bottom and select archive. And you can see archive reel. You can remove this reel from your archive at any time. All remixes of this reel will also be deleted, and any reels using your original audio will be muted. If you restore your reel, these will be restored. Good to know, but we want to now just select the blue archive button. And then you can see that this is still showing us and we can still access that, but no one else who's following us can access that story. We come over to profile, it's still there and available, but now we know it's archived, but we can go and switch it off and turn it to unarchived at any point. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about how to do things on your phone and your laptop, make sure you hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.